18 on me. Sir, car stop number is 5900 Chestnut, RTF. Thank you.
Yes. Oh, very serious.
I got one in full pursuit right now.
It's okay for 1811 now. You're satisfied on market? Car stand by, 18th District. Car stand by, 18th District, assist officer, police by radio. There's 590 market, we got officer shot. Just repeating the 18th District, assist officer, police by radio, 590 market. The flash.
Anything wrong with that?
Come on, stay off the air.
Stay off. Ready.
1811, you got a flash in the mouth?
We got 1 male. Westbound on Market. Yeah, the gray hoodie. Yeah. We got a couple other males. Black males with,
Alright, my son in front of the market, looking for a black male in a black hoodie. That's in West on the market. Black male in a black hoodie.
Come on, black male wearing all black. That was a completely on the corner of Culver the Market. Say this.
Carson.
So.
So Carson, myself in the market looking for a black male in a black hoodie. That's self in the market, black male in a black hoodie. That's self in the market. Stay yourself when you have off each other, correct? Correct. Okay, that's correct. 1811 is taking us.
Come on, press me.
1811 is en route with his partner to press me. Five on the market, sir. We're looking for 2 black males. One's wearing a gray hoodie. Second male's wearing a black hoodie. They both fly westbound. That's in the area. Call for the market.
Go, sir. CI9, get his conditions on you, officer, immediately, please.
Sir, 1811, conditions on your partner.
Left leg.
1811's partner is shot in the left leg. Is he still conscious?
He's still conscious. Shot in the left leg.
I received.
He also got he also exchanged a couple of shots with one of the males.
Received. 1811's partner also fired back shots at the door.
One, is there a crime scene located anywhere?
He was on location. It was located crime scene.
Crime scene. Southford and Market.
He has crime scene at Southford and Market. 1811, that your partner's badge number.
Three
8552.
3552.
Badge number is 3552.
Correction on these 2 males.
52 westbound from Market.
All right, Upper Darby shut down Market 63 down to 57.
I got Southwest, we have a badge number also.
Upper grid from Race southbound to at least Chestnut. Let's lock the entire area down.
5 is a racing Chestnut 63 to 59, you said?
President notified.
President is notified. Starter grid will be 63 to 57.
Notify Upper Darby since they're going westbound. Shut it down 63 to 5. And race southbound to Chestnut.
Alright, Carson, my flying car, stand by. 122 to 59 Market Street. Alright, we're going to set up a grid. We're going to set up a grid from 63 to 59 from Race to Chestnut Street. We're going to set up a grid from 63 to 59 from Race to Chestnut Street.
We're going to start all the William teams down there, too.
I need all the way team to start over there. 635 now, let's
Team Highway, Track Air, and K9.
So, Command, we got the aviation gear up.
That's all right, Track Air up.
Hey, go on.
Now, call came in with flash with a black male with a gun in his hand, running up the L steps toward the platform.
Is that 60 and Market he's at?
Correct, 60 Market. That call just came in saying black male, pink button shirt, jeans, had a gun in his hand, ran up the L steps toward the platform. 60 Market.
1880, just be advised. It looks like it was an interrupted robbery. We have one complaint out here who we're going to be transporting down to homicide immediately.
And to receive.
The officer transporting is going to try to get better flash and provide that.
Receive, sir.
9642, what's the flash on 2 mil?
Check here. The call just came in, says a black male, pink button shirt, with a gun in his hand, ran up the L steps at 60 Market toward the platform.
So, Command, we contact stop the airplanes.
Now.
I'm on location at Percy. Oh, can you have real-time crime center look it up?
17, we got one in custody, being ID'd for a robbery, and the shooter. I got a witness to the shooter.
17, what's your location? Wheel 17, yeah, one in custody, what's your location? So William 17. You have to get a badge number. So it's 3552. Okay. So William 17 or William 17's partner, what's your location? Location William 17, they said they have one in custody. What's their location?
18 Special B4, they're at Edgewood and Market.
Alright, William Market. We got William 17 at Edgewood and Market. They got one in custody, Edgewood and Market.
Yeah, plus you got one of them.
17 has a mouth stop, Edgewood and Market.
Positive ID, we need to stop for investigation.
Waiting for that amount to be ID.
Alright.
What mail is still not captured yet?
Wait, William 17, can you give me the flash on the mail you have stopped? Someone give me flash on the mail, William 17 has stopped.
So, Command, the other individual, black male, light complected, he's got a beard.
So, Command, there's black male, light skin beard, what was he wearing?
That's it, Southwest. Do we have a state area yet?
William 17, who you trying to raise now?
So, William 17, we were trying to get the flash on the mail, you had stopped.
I have stops in a red and white striped shirt, black jeans. Special B4, can you give it something to stop the trains again?
We just got off the line with something, the trains are being stopped. 12 Command?
12 Command?
There.
Alright, we're still searching the scene.
Did that receive?
Okay.
37.
37. So I'm speaking to the cashier in the booth. Could you have transit pull the tape? They should have some video of a male jumping the turnstile.
Folks, man, here's somebody with crime scene tape to this location.
Talking about, he's my partner. Have him come out here to the 5900 block of Market. We'll have to transport this man out of homicide.
You're talking, man, so we need a crime scene tape.
18 Andy, can you have the officers who are holding 59th and 60th and Market shut down all pedestrian traffic going west and east from those locations?
All units holding traffic 5900 to 60th and Market shut down all pedestrian traffic. That's units holding 59 to 6 on Market shut down all pedestrian traffic. The talking, man, sir, what do you need a crime scene tape? Hey, they're coming over.
D-Dan 513.
513?
Yes, sir. What do you have at 59th and Market?
So we got an officer shot in the leg. He's been transported to Presidency. We're looking for two individuals in reference to it. William 17 has one stop. They're going to be transporting him to homicide. Talking, man.
Andy, what do you need?
Talking, man, saying you need a crime scene tape. I was trying to get the location where you need the crime scene tape.
It will be at the 60th Street Station, the westbound side.
See, Ross. I have crime scene tape. Talking, man, 60th Street, L Station, westbound side platform.
So there's on your train shut down?
37, that's correct.
Man?
Talking, man.
12 Command, can we set the transit, have them make all necessary preparations regarding the videotape and so forth? Also give us a hand out here holding the scene.
Talking, man, yes, sir, they've been notified.
The second element, so look for.
We're still looking for the black male, gray hoodie for the DK11. We're going to get a flash on. Okay, man, I know you are still locating the scene out there, so as soon as you can get us that stage area and that communications fine.
Got this one out here at 12 Command, you got to set the police out at 69th Terminal, see if they can stop any trains coming in westbound.
Okay, man, we'll see.
Control State 1, I notified Delaware County box over, he's shutting it down.
Okay, I'm on receive, thank you.
Wilfred Harvey units out at the platform where that goes into.
119 receive.
At 69th Street.
Alright. Just be advised, 1811 responding to dead fire back at this now. Can we have units check the area hospitals? We'll check emergency ER, BR, press ER.
Morris?